With rising inflation, interest rate hikes and political uncertainties, the global economy is weathering a difficult storm. But one sector that has fared better than others is financial technology or Fintech. Fintech usually refers to software, technology and mobile apps created to improve and automate traditional forms of finance for businesses and consumers. This was showcased at Dubai International Financial Centre or DIFC's Fintech Week. The Thought Leadership Conference took a deep dive into the latest opportunities, challenges and technology trends driving the region's financial services sector. The inaugural event was opened by the Governor of DIFC.
Finance is undergoing a profound and unprecedented transformation, powered by digital technologies and innovation that are shaping payments, lending, insurance, and wealth management.
He said Fintech is the fastest growing sector for DIFC, contributing more than 35% to the total number of companies that have been established over the last year.
We have created a full-fledged ecosystem whereby it starts from incubator to accelerator to innovation hub, to providing the proper financing and, of course, the innovation testing license. So we do have this integrated ecosystem. In parallel, we've been working to really create the necessity regulatory environment, after the best practices and international standard.
From tech talks to showcases and panel discussions, this event is bringing together investors and companies seeking dynamic solutions for the blockchain and fintech sector. Experts at the event said through talent and funding, Dubai will become a launch pad for global entrepreneurs to build and scale across the Middle East and Africa region. The sector is undergoing rapid expansion, and the chairman of the MENA Fintech Association said our day-to-day lives are surrounded by innovations that came out of the fintech industry.
What's basically happening when it comes to fintech, it's actually enabling financial services, making it invisible, making it transparent, and making it, most importantly, super affordable. You make your payments, it's by tap, most importantly. Apart from that, you're basically buying a product online. Once again, it's super seamless, it's super convenient.
A further boost in the region came in June with Amazon launching their Fintech Lab, a hub for digital innovation and creativity based in Dubai's Financial and Fintech Centre. Working with startups, SMEs and partners, the aim is to support new programs and ideas and advance knowledge on digital payments and fintech sectors worldwide. However, access to funding remains the highest priority for startups.
We have a pillar in the fund that we invest through called Future of Finance. So to me, it's about the trajectory of where these technologies and all this buzz you hear about fintech, where it's leading to, especially as we move into the next 24 months. I think it's going to be critical here in the region and worldwide, how we look at the underlying value propositions of fintech companies, the intersection between them and the banks and the financial institutions and regulators that they have to play along with.
The Dubai-based fintech company Casio has successfully raised funding recently. They've created the UAE's first corporate card and expense management platform, raising 2.4 million euros in their latest round to launch in the MENA market. With Casio, company finance and HR teams can set and amend spending limits on virtual and physical cards. This eliminates the use of cash, avoids costly late expense claims and reduces the amount of work put into reimbursements.
What we're doing, it is something that both companies and governments and banks are all keen to enable, as what we do helps with, again, reducing cash in circulation. It reduces fraud, and it's a great tool to monitor. You don't need to wait for your money when you do an expense. It's already available on the app for you. It's also create clarity in how you can spend money so that you work within the policies the company have set up, and that by default reduces internal conflicts.
According to research, digital payments are expected to grow to 7.92 trillion euros by 2024 from 4.22 trillion euros in 2020, with Dubai focusing firmly on being a home for the companies that take a share of this trade.